Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel where we make cooking simple and fun. Today we are sharing a recipe that's so easy and delicious. Let me share with you the recipe of perfect chiffon chocolate castella cake in a very simple way. At first separate the 6 egg yolk and white. Then egg white put in the fridge for 20-30 minutes. In another bowl take 50 gram cake flour and 20 gram cocoa powder. Pour cooking oil into a heatable container. Remove from fire when heated to above 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Pour the hot oil into the dry powder and mix quickly to combine. Add 90 gram of liquid milk and mix well. Each will thick after adding milk. This is normal. Add egg yolk and mix well together. Lift the batter at this point and it should fall off like a ribbon. Add vanilla extract. It's optional. The correct egg yolk paste stayed in like this. Take out the frozen protein. Add 3 gram lemon juice. Stir the electric egg batter at medium speed. Beat until thick foam. Add 65 gram sugar 3 times. The egg batter rotates slowly in a circle and the egg batter also rotates slowly in a circle. Then you need to make a fluffy batter. Beat the egg white until you get stiff peak. In the egg yolk batter, mix 1/3 part of egg white. Then gently mix everything together. Whole egg yolk batter should be mixed with egg white batter. Mix gently together with a hand mixture. Cover the mold with oil paper, square size mold, 15 into 15 cm and 10 cm high. Half batter should be poured into a cake tin. The batter must be poured for a lower place. Then spread 15 gram of chocolate crust on top. Chocolate filling in the middle. It won't cause the chocolate filling to sink. The rest of the batter should be poured well. Gently smooth the surface. Add some chocolate chips on the surface. If you don't want the surface to crack, you don't need to add lots of chocolate chips because the chocolate grains will sink down due to gravity. Add 70 degrees Celsius warm water to the baking tray under the cake tin. Add up to 1 cm of water to the baking tray. Baking is preheat oven over 80 to 90 minutes at 135 degrees Celsius. When out of the oven, carefully press your finger on the surface of the cake to check. The baking paper around this cake has been cool for a while. Push back and forth with a long knife. This chocolate cake is very soft and delicious. You can make this cake once.